The hiccups. Peter, who's got the hiccups? Hey, who's got the hiccups? Ethan. Oh, he's got the hiccups. Oh, he's got the. Who's got the hiccups? Who's got the hiccups? Who? Who's got the hiccups? Oh. Oh. He's got the hiccups. Oh. Ethan, you got the hiccups? Peter, look. Who's got the hiccups? Your brother. You want to touch the phone? Look, what's he got?